Hi, welcome to another episode of Felicia Kurt, and I'm your host, Felicia. If this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe so I can see you again and you don't miss out on any videos about natural hair and also product unboxing like this one. Oh, so before we get started, let me know down in the comment section below if there is a brand or any brands that you have yet to see in the CurlBox throughout this entire month, and let's see if we have the same thing in mind. So I'm going to go ahead and let you do that now, and then I'm going to share with you guys after we unbox this the brands that I have yet to see and would love to see. So this month we've received the brand new collection by Lotta Body. It is with milk and honey, and the first item up is the Milk and Honey Restore Me Cream Shampoo, and this is supposed to remove product buildup, restore moisture, and also make hair soft and manageable. And this contains no sulfates. This smells like, where's the bubble? I don't know. It smells good, but so next item is the Restore Me Cream Conditioner. Deeply moisturizes, and it also claims to make your hair soft and manageable. This smells really good. It's creamy. It does smell a little perfumey, so for those people who may be sensitive to smells, you might not like this, but the smell doesn't bother me, but there's definitely a fragrance in there. Okay, next is the Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner. So the Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner claims to lock in moisture, continuous intense hydration, detangles, and adds shine. This product also claims to control frizz and is also safe for color treated hair. So next is the Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse for a medium hold for soft curls. Define curls, add body and shine, and this contains no alcohol. So this mousse also claims to treat dry, rough strands and helps restore moisture for healthy looking hair, and it's also supposed to hold twists out, control frizz, and also moisturize. Okay, final product from the Milk and Honey line is Tame 24-Hour Edge Control, and this is a hair gel, and it claims to be non-flaking, non-sticky, non-greasy, and also provide up to 24-hour control. I do like the way it smells, and it looks all orangey like that. So this upcoming January, it will be a full year that I will have been subscribed to CurlBox, and I would like to see the brand's main choice and also Handmade. Yes, I will insert it. But those are the two brands that come to mind that I would definitely love to try out but have yet to see in the box. So let's see if I'm going to check out the comments to see if any of us came up with the same brands, and I will see you guys in the next video. And before you go, you don't have to go. You can check out more videos right here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.